You forgot it was Halloween, didn't you? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, also known as Certified Winner, and as you can tell by the title of today's video, it is the day before Halloween, and you're probably rushing trying to find out what you want to be. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different Halloween looks that are easy and DIY at home. Most of the things you probably already have in your closet at home or laying around your house. So before any further ado, let's get started. So the first costume I thought we would come up with was Arthur, as in Arthur the Aardvark from that childhood show that we probably used to all watch. Yeah, I thought his costume would be super easy because all you need for this costume is a yellow sweater, a pair of jeans, and a nice pair of specs. Now once I put on the costume, I thought it would be super cute to put my hair into 2 space buns, kind of to stimulate his ears. And then I also realized after looking at the photo that he also wears a white button up underneath his sweater. And it gets pretty cold in Canada, so it would actually be even better if you layered that yellow sweater over top of a white button up. Now I am lucky because I happen to have glasses that kind of look like Arthur's and I actually need them to see. But if you don't need glasses or your glasses don't match his, I'm sure you can find glasses at pretty much any store at this point. Like you can get it from Shein, you can get it from Wish, but because we're kind of on a time crunch, I know American Eagle sells them, I know Garage sells them, I know Forever 21 sells them. So things like that you can easily get. Or if you're in a really big time crunch, you can literally grab those 3D like movie theater glasses and just pop the lenses out and use the black frames as Arthur's glasses. The next outfit I thought would be super cute and really easy to replicate was a scarecrow. I'm sure everybody owns plaid, everybody owns a pair of jeans. The big floppy hat I'm assuming a lot of people own just because it was really popular this summer, but those 3 things put together, bam! You've got a scarecrow, and it makes it even easier because the makeup really pulls everything together. Without the floppy hat, you can even opt to wear some cowboy boots and say a cowboy hat, and all of a sudden you're a cowboy. So this costume is kind of like a 2-in-1. It's pretty great. For your hair, you can either braid it down either side or you can literally just tie it into pigtails. Either one works. For this one, I happened to leave my hair down, but I think later on when I went to a party, I did decide to put it in like pigtails or like a ponytail or something like that. It just kind of tied the look together really well, especially if you have a plaid scrunchie. I just happen to have one, so it really went well with the costume. Last but not least, I decided that I would do a classic ghost costume. So for this one, you are not going to need to just take any old bedsheet and cut the eyes out. Instead, I thought I would make it a little bit more of a modern take where I just wore a white shirt, a white pair of jeans, and I printed out a ghost's face and literally like taped it onto myself. So here's me wearing it and it looks really cute. I don't think anybody's not gonna realize that you're a ghost. Like it's pretty obvious. You have the ghost's face right on your chest, and to make it a little more obvious, I actually printed out a sign that says boo. All you need to do is go into Google, look up speech bubble, and then in quotations, boo, and it was literally like the first one to show up. I just printed it out, cut around it, and then taped it onto a chopstick, and that was my little boo sign for the rest of the night. Super simple. I also happen to have a black velvet scrunchie in my hair, and that really makes all the difference. I feel like it really tied my whole outfit together, especially because I was doing that whole black and white theme. Alright, and there you have it. That is literally 3 different DIY costumes with things you can find inside your house or really last minute at the mall. I think it's super easy, super quick, and really simple yet effective. I know you're watching this video because it's the day before Halloween and you don't know what to be, so I think any of these things would honestly suffice. As always, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you would like to see next. I release videos every single Wednesday, so don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!